Hello, my YouTube family, and thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys are giving me on my channel. I did want to do a quick little makeup review today on the NYX in Mahogany. I picked it up from Ulta, the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and I also picked up a nice little cute red lippy. It's a liquid suede. It's by NYX as well, and I lined my lips with another lipstick. But I wanted to go ahead and just try out the red because I'm wearing red watermelon earrings today. So I thought that would be kind of cute. So you guys let me know if you have any comments or suggestions. Just leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave all your comments and suggestions down below for me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.